Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps seem to know exactly what you want? Well, the answer lies in the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI, and user interface, or UI design. AI is a technology that mimics human intelligence, while UI design is all about creating interactive platforms that are easy to use. Together, they are revolutionizing the way we interact with digital platforms, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. The secret behind this is the integration of artificial intelligence in user interface design. To understand this better, consider the example of Spotify, a popular music streaming service. Spotify has managed to position itself as a go-to music platform for millions of users worldwide. But have you ever paused to think about what makes the Spotify experience so seamless and enjoyable? The answer lies in the power of artificial intelligence. Spotify uses AI to constantly refine and enhance its user interface design. This is evident in the way the platform presents personalized playlists such as Discover Weekly and Daily Mix. These playlists aren't created by a team of people who know your music taste. Instead, they're curated by AI algorithms that analyze your listening habits, favorite genres, and even the time of day you're most active. Through deep learning and pattern recognition, AI understands your preferences and predicts what you might like to listen to next. Based on this, Spotify customizes its interface to present you with song and playlist recommendations that resonate with your taste. But that's not all. AI also plays a key role in making Spotify's interface user-friendly. The platform uses AI to analyze user behavior, understand how users interact with different features, and identify any potential pain points. This analysis aids in making iterative improvements to the UI design, ensuring it remains intuitive and easy to navigate. In addition, AI is used to automate routine tasks on the platform. For instance, the autoplay feature that plays similar songs once your chosen playlist ends is powered by AI. This